Hello. Today we will be discussing about Sun Accelerate. This is one of the best product of Sun Life. Um, so 20 years, 20-year endowment life insurance product. So 20, this is not 20 years to pay, but the maturity is 20 years. It is called Accelerate because it is only 8 years to pay. So nag-i-increase ang life insurance coverage, nag-i-increase din ang cash benefits, and there is a guaranteed maturity benefit with special bonus and dividend earning and limited payment period, which is only 8 years. So for this example, um, 30 years old female non-smoker, ang magiging premium niya is 52,915 kasi there is an additional accidental death benefit of 250,000 which is 455 pesos a year and total disability benefit waiver of premium of 650 pesos per year. Why money back guarantee? Kasi ang ibabayad na total ng client sa loob ng 8 years ay 414,480 pesos at ang possible niyang makuha after 20 years is dito sa total living benefit yan nakikita. Ang pwede niyang kitain ay 722,976 pesos. And this is not the guaranteed figure kasi kaya naging ganito ay pinag-add yung accumulated endowment benefit. Ito yung kapag hindi winidraw itong part na um, itong part ng guaranteed endowment benefit. So itong part na to, kapag hindi siya winidraw, nag-a-accumulate siya ito. Ito, nag-a-accumulate. Ito yung accumulated benefit. So, kung example, kukunin ng client yung mga benefit niya from mula pag natapos na yung paying period, yung ika 8 years, so 20K. So, hindi yan mag-accumulate kasi kinuha na niya. So, susunod, after 2 years, 25K. After 2 years, 30K. After 3 years, 35. After, ayun, ganun siya. So, ang magiging total lang lahat niyan is 40 plus 95 plus 65 plus 45. So, ang magiging total lang lahat niyan is nasa 245,000 kapag um, 45, pag i-add lahat yung mga cash out, pag hindi siya nakakahintay na na mag-withdraw. So, yun lang yung magiging total, 245,000. As opposed to, isi-stay niya yun sa company, yung accumulated, yung endowment benefit, possible na maging kita niya is 302,999. So, ang difference niya, kung i-stay lang sa company yun at hahayaan niya doon na tumubo is 57,999. Yun yung pwedeng mawala. So again, endowment benefit is guaranteed. Yung accumulated endowment benefit na ito, depende yan sa percent na binibigay ng company. So dito sa proposal, makikita na 4.2% yung accumulation rate. Pero sabi ng aming branch manager, ngayon daw ito ay around 4.6% ang accumulated benefit. So, rate. Mas maano siya, mas mataas. And again, aside from the guaranteed endowment benefit, meron pang binibigay ang Sun Life na dividend. So, this is also not guaranteed. Pero once na kumita ang Sun Life is magbibigay siya sa policy holders niya. So, for this regard, start siya ng pag 39 na yung client kasi age 30 ang client female nung nag-start siyang kumuha. So, pag 39 years old na siya, meron nang bibigay yung Sun Life. Possible yan. So, ayan, 7,240 a year. Na susunod na year hanggang, ayun, hanggang year 20. So, ito rin, pwede mo withdraw once na nag-start ng magbigay ng dividend or pwede mo ring i-stay sa Sun Life and mag-earn din siya. So, ayan, pag hindi mo siya kinuha, possible na may 121,000 ka na may withdraw sa maturity. So, if you will, once this policy matures, ang possible mo ang pwedeng makuha ay a total ng 722,976. Kaya siya money back guarantee. So, kasama na dito itong guaranteed cash value. Yes, ibibigay na rin lahat yan. And itong naipon mo ng endowment, itong naipon mong dividend, at kung meron mang accumulated special paid up bonus, so ang magiging total niya is 722,976 roughly, as opposed to sa binayad ni client na 480,000. So around 308,496 ang magiging tubo sa loob na sa 8 years na paghuhulog mo. And syempre habang naghuhulog ka sa 20 years na yon, insured ka rin. So ito, nag-start ang insurance ng 250K. By the end ng maturity, 1 million na siya. So, win-win itong plan na to, which is called the Sun Accelerate Plan. For more questions, just send me a PM. Thank you. Cheers. Stop.